Welcome everyone to our ultimate guide on creating text-to-speech using AI technology. This tutorial will show you how to generate professional quality text-to-speech voices in just a few easy steps.
So let's get started.
First, visit the 11 Labs website and log into your account. From the dashboard, select the Text-to-Speech tab. This will display the text area for input text-to-speech. Copy your text up to a maximum of 5,000 words. To convert the text into speech, click on the Generate Speech, which will play a preview of the audio.
Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install Ubuntu in a VirtualBox.
In the settings, you can change voice type, different languages, voice speed, stability, similarity, style, and exaggeration. After making your selections, you can generate speech. Listen to the voice preview.
Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install Ubuntu in a VirtualBox.
If you want to revert to the default settings, click on the Reset Values button. Once you are satisfied with the generated speech, you can download the audio file by clicking on the Download button. The voice file will be saved in your download folder. This marks the end of the video. I greatly appreciate your support, shares, and subscriptions to my channel.